Happy St. Patrick's Day. This year we're making the Sour Apple Margarita. Hi guys, welcome back.
Hey.
Today we're going to be making a St. Patty's Day drink and we're going to be making the Sour Apple Margarita.
Right. So we're going to start off with some tequila and we're going to use Saza today. It's a blue agave. So we're going to start off with 1 shot of blue agave tequila.
We already have ice in the mixer.
Yeah, ready to go in the mix and the shaker.
Whatever. Same thing.
Yes. Okay.
All right. And then I'm going to add 2 shots of the apple. It's like a schnapps.
Use any apple schnapps liquor for this.
I got this at Kroger's.
And then I'm going to throw in a shot of simple syrup. And as you probably know, simple syrup is just water and sugar mixed together equal parts and boiled until it creates like a smooth substance. Then, oh, you're gonna hit that one.
I'm gonna put in some lime. So I'm gonna put in half of a shot. That's pretty close. We're just gonna keep it with that. Time to shake. Okay. And we pour.
St. Patty's Day green, baby.
So I got a apple. Oh goodness.
Drop it.
And then I'm gonna put a little orange garnish in there, and that is it.
Look at that bad boy.
Yeah. It's a sour apple margarita.
Did you get it, Hayden?
No,
There it is.
I don't think we can see the drink.
Let's try it.
All right.
Oh, that's good. That's like a apple Jolly Rancher cocktail. St. Patty's themed.
Do you think you could
Green.
add Jolly Ranchers?
Yes, we could add Jolly Ranchers. I'll have to do that next time.
Yeah.
That's good. And this
Is
is
why
why
we
we drink. Oh yeah, baby.